Hello, my name's John Gattorna. I'm based in Sydney, Australia. You may not be aware, but I'm coming to Colombia in late May. I've been invited by the University of Pilato in Colombia to come over and conduct two one-day masterclasses in supply chain. One of these will be in Bogota, and the other will be in Medellin. I'm looking forward to coming to Colombia again. I visited once before in 1993, and I'm sure there's been lots of changes since then. This will probably be my last time, so I'm hoping that all of you who are interested in designing and operating advanced supply chains will come to one of these workshops. The big feature of my particular approach is what we call dynamic alignment, which looks at the way a business enterprise aligns with its customers at the one end and suppliers at the other. And in the middle, of course, we've got 3PL providers as well. This whole question of aligning enterprises has been the whole basis for me and my research over the last 25 years, and how I've come to design what I now call dynamic supply chains. The approach requires an initial understanding or a better understanding of the marketplace, and we have particular ways of segmenting our customers in the marketplace, and of course then reverse engineering back through our strategies into the organization itself, developing and shaping subcultures inside the business, and also orchestrating some of the leadership styles. So everything is connected, and that's the feature of this design. The point about this is that since it is dynamic alignment and it is a business-to-business type of framework, it applies to every enterprise. So I'm hoping that all the different businesses in Colombia, be they product businesses or even service businesses or even defense businesses, will attend one of these workshops, because I've got a lot of interesting things to say, and this will be backed up by everyone receiving a copy of my latest book, Dynamic Supply Chains: How to Design, Build and Manage People-Centric Value Networks. Because what I've realized over my research is that supply chains are actually driven by people. People at the front end who are making decisions to buy, people at the back end who are have expectations, and people in the middle who are making decisions every day to make or to buy, or to make the stock, or make to order, or something like that. So there's lots of decisions going on in the supply chain, and all of this is around human behavior. And the interesting thing is that virtually none of this is taught at universities. We seem to think of supply chains as big mechanisms, conveyor belts, which are inanimate, and we just turn them on and off, but that's not really the case. So I'm looking forward very much to coming to Colombia. I'm really encouraging people to send small teams, multi-dimensional teams, or multidisciplinary teams, if you like, to these workshops to get the most value. Because if you send a team of a CFO and say a senior vice president of logistics and a CIO or a COO, I think you're going to get a lot more value, because they will learn about these ideas together, and they'll be able to go back, and there's a better chance that things will get implemented. So looking very much forward to coming to meet you all. I hope that you take advantage of this unique occasion, and I'm very grateful to the University of Pilato for the invitation, and we'll look forward to meeting you all around the end of May in either Bogota or Medellin.